What's up, guys? So I've been sitting here working on the CHEVELLE. So I got a dash out of it. Boy, just working. I'm like, man, let me do a video. Somebody might be interested in it. Just trying to figure out about the AC. Figure out what all is bad on it. See if it's possible to get it back going. But just trying to fix a few wires. See this ground. Put a light switch. This wire was broken. This kind of ground the switch. So I had to add some wire to it. And that helps. That turns the inside lights on. When you turn the switch, it grounds this the switch and turns the inside lights on. It's kind of hooked to this circuit right here. It's that black wire. That's this wire right here. So it works just like that when the door is open. So I got that fixed. The wire on this side, it was off. It wasn't plugged up. So I'm gonna plug it back up and I'm getting ready to put the dash back in it. And it's a ground for the dash frame. You know, the dash on these cars is plastic, but the frame is metal. So this to ground the dash frame. So got that done.
Put some gas in water in the front of
now I'm trying to, the radio wasn't working. The radio wasn't working. So I traced it back. It was going to this connector right here. And the fuse was blown. This is the TGS solenoid. It's the transmission, some kind of solenoid they had back in this year on the transmission. That when the transmission shifts, it did something to the vacuum. But all looked like all this disconnected. So I put a new fuse in it. Now the radio should get hot. But I may put the radio somewhere else on a different circuit. The next thing I'm gonna do is get the radio out the dash, plug it up, see if I can make it play. It only got two 6x9s back here. I'm gonna see how it sounds. So I'm gonna go get the radio, plug it up. Alright, y'all, so I got the radio out the dash. I ain't gotta tote the whole dash. You see the radio got Pontiac wrote on it. This radio is actually for 64, 67 GTO, but they all the same. All these custom audio sound radios. But it is badged wrong. Let me see if I can
But why is it Pontiac?
get that Pontiac off, because it's the wrong radio for the car.
Oh, so we just gonna get that Pontiac off?
Yep.
Can we play paint, man?
But we gonna see if we can make it work first.
Pontiacs?
Yep. Alright, we're gonna plug it up. See if we can get it to turn on.
Do you need this paint? Yes.
Yep.
There's not a lot in there.
Alright, we got it plugged up. Turn the switch on. Came on. Oh, that's a station. On the, hook the antenna up. got some sounds.
We can't.
105.
You wire, no problem. The pros at Freeway are here to save you time and money. Call now or visit us at freeway.com and see how much you could save. 334-523-7170. 334-523-7170. Freeway, drive-in savings. Restrictions apply. License number 297817. In these uncertain times, it's refreshing to know.
Turn it back.
I see you gestured, don't mean.
It's
An outstanding teacher in your life who's gone above and beyond for their students to be among. Back to the gospel hit.
1043 Hallelujah FM.
That's right, that's
Now I know the radio working. I'm gonna clean up my wires a little bit. See how I got the wire coming from the radio harness. This little piece of wire here spliced in. I think I can just take that out really. Only got 2 speakers, so, and it's also hooked to the front left and the front right. So I'm gonna eventually put some more speakers in here in the front. So I'm gonna cut the wires to the front left and the front right and put them on in the rear left and rear right. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright, so I got the speaker wires put together. Took the extra wire out. Now I'm about to look at this. There's some wires they got spliced. These hot wires, ignition wires. No ends on them. I think this wire here is going to a switch. This wire here going to the fuel injection. That's to the fuel injection. I think this to the core. So all these wires going to lead on the outside. So I'm gonna cut them. Try to get them better, huh?
You talking about all the wires?
Yep.
But you know what? They ain't going nowhere.
All right. So got rid of this. Had all the exposed hot wires. 4 wires coming into it on that side, 2 on that side, and I like to have all my ignition wires pink, like the original Hornets had it. So it say ignition. Got 1 wire coming to the inside, going to the 3 locations on the outside. Where the old setup had 4, but 1 wire wasn't used for anything, so it's piggybacking off under the firewall, going to 3 locations. Got me a heat shrink here. I got that done. I got my speaker wires kind of tucked behind the AC box. I think I'm next. I think I might use some of the old lights for the old dash before they put the digital dash in it. So I try to figure out where these went. Figure out what I want to do with them. Or I may mount the digital dash box. They just had it. Just sitting back in here, wires running everywhere. I think I'm gonna just mount it right here and try to get the wires neater. I may do that next. Alright guys, so I got the digital dash box mounted over here on the side. Got my wires straightened up. Got my headlight switch. This for the windshield wipers. Got my radio harness here. My speaker harness for my radio. Got it done. It's from all my AC. I'm not gonna, and heat, I'm not gonna fool with that for now. Got all the wires identified and everything better. Here's all the wires I cut out of it. The wires everywhere. So I was gonna put the car back together so I can do a little cruising to the cruise in, but I decided to go ahead and wire up the neutral safety switch and the reverse lights. And this gonna be the lights for the gear shifter. I'm gonna put a blue LED light in here, so I gotta get that. So I just went ahead and ran my wires. So I got the reverse lights and all that hooked up. Neutral safety, test that out, see if it's in park. They'll bump over, reverse, nothing. Neutral, drive, nothing. Check the reverse lights. I don't even know if we got bulbs in it. They're not on. Probably don't have any bulbs. So I put some bulbs in those and they should work. So now I'm gonna get ready to put the dash back in it.